Thank you.
It's kind of heavy. Here's your mail.
Oh, thank you. You don't need a signature?
No.
Okay, thank you. Mason's gonna be so excited.
What is that?
Dirt bike wheel.
Go.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
I can ride a motorcycle with 2 wheels.
Huh?
I can ride a motorcycle with 2 wheels.
So this is Mason's very, 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 very first time riding his dirt bike. We got the wheel fixed, you guys. The wheel was broke. I accidentally ran it over because the kids had it like behind my truck, so I accidentally ran it over. So they earned a new wheel, so I got a used one off eBay. This used to be Ralphie's. This used to be Ralphie's little PW50. He got it when he was, I think, your 6th birthday, right? I think Ralphie's 6th birthday he got it. And it's now Mason's. Oh my goodness. Ralphie? Slow down, Mason!
Can I ride that thing to the skate park?
No.
Why not?
Because you're not allowed to go to the skate park by yourself.
No, you come with the car and then I'll go back.
Look at him. Ralphie, get out of his way. Good job, Mason. Good job, buddy. You like it?
Yeah.
This is Mason's like literally first time, as you guys just saw, first time riding this.
Without training wheels.
Without training wheels. Mason! No, you landed it, but that's unacceptable. Please pick that up.
Okay,
Kids are just like super excited right now. Okay, we gotta go.
Hold on. Ready?
Where's your helmet? Stop!
What?
Put your helmet on now.
Why?
Because I said so.
Helmet sucks. Adios! I'm gonna stay right here.
Alright guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. Short and sweet. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys in the next vlog.